Get up and stop playing dead. Oh, shit. Lucas! Come on! You need to run! I barely threw you. What have I done?
What a good question. What have you done?
It was an accident. That wasn't meant to...
Isn't this so interesting, Tabitha? The feeling of taking a life. Sure, at first regret sets in. You realize what you have truly have done and you hate yourself for that. But soon, you'll get to love it. You'll want more. The screams, the fear in the eyes, the bloodshed. And then you'll be just like me.